Our frozen fish journey begins at sea, where modern vessels harvest protein for global consumption.
Bridge, this is the deck. Net deployment commencing now. Hold steady at 2 knots.
Sorting ensures only premium fish continue toward frozen fish production lines.
Temperature control is vital for transforming fresh catch into safe frozen fish.
It's up on the line. This one's ready for ice. Here is the tag for batch 7.
Got it. Moving to the line now.
From open ocean to cold storage, frozen fish production has already begun at sea. Eating fish immediately is essential to producing clean, high-quality frozen fish products.
Rapid chilling slows bacterial growth, preparing fish for frozen fish transformation.
Cold storage holds protect frozen fish throughout extended ocean transportation. Frozen fish now travel safely toward shore, preserved by advanced onboard freezing systems.
Frozen fish reach shore under strict controls, ensuring freshness survives the ocean-to-land transition.
Sealed docks prevent temperature shock when frozen fish enter factory processing environments. Digital tracking guarantees full traceability for every frozen fish shipment. Frozen fish are now securely received, logged, and prepared for factory transformation. Controlled thawing protects frozen fish texture while preparing them for precise industrial processing. Advanced filleting machines maximize yield from every frozen fish processed.
Precise sorting standardizes frozen fish fillets for consistent packaging results.
frozen fish now emerge as clean fillets, ready for portioning and refreezing.
Precision cutting transforms frozen fish fillets into uniform portions demanded by global markets. Metal detectors safeguard frozen fish products from contamination before refreezing.
Rapid refreezing stabilizes frozen fish portions for long-term storage and distribution.
Frozen fish portions are now perfected, inspected, and ready for final packaging. Packaging begins as frozen fish fillets move into automated vacuum sealing systems.
Automated inspection ensures frozen fish packaging meets strict safety and durability standards.
Retail boxing protects frozen fish while enhancing brand presentation.
Frozen fish fillets are now sealed, labeled, and prepared for cold storage.
Long-term storage begins as frozen fish enter high-capacity industrial freezer warehouses.
Robotic systems handle frozen fish efficiently inside extreme cold storage environments. Hygiene audits ensure frozen fish storage environments meet strict safety standards.
Frozen fish are securely stored, tracked, and ready for global distribution.
Distribution begins as frozen fish pallets are prepared for outbound global transportation.
Cold chain logistics protect frozen fish during transport from factory to port.
Frozen fish enter regional supply chains without breaking the cold chain.
From ocean harvest to dinner tables, frozen fish completes its global journey.